Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Dr. Anwar. Today our group will be presenting about Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad, which is an oil and gas company in Malaysia. So I'm gonna start with the company background. Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad is the first independent oil and gas exploration and production company in Malaysia to be listed and went public on July 25th, 2011 on Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad's main market. The company transitioned from SAPC to a fully functional oil and gas business. Hibiscus Petroleum focuses on acquiring and growing valuable assets in the oil and gas industry, including regions like the United Kingdom, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and also Asia Pacific nations. The company aims to provide long-term profits for investors while upholding strict safety and environmental management guidelines. Hibiscus Petroleum prioritized corporate governance and transparency, maintaining solid technical and business foundation. So next I'm gonna be explaining about their company's vision. So their goal is to become a reputable, valuable and also accountable energy company, expanding on its experience in upstream oil and gas. Hibiscus Petroleum aims to deliver value from off-field production and expand its portfolio of development and production assets. The company headquarters is in Kuala Lumpur and is a constituent of both of the FTSE for Good Bursa Malaysia Index and the FTSE for Good Bursa Malaysia Syariah Index. Its securities have been classified as Sharia compliance by the Securities Commission Malaysia. So that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Good afternoon to Sir Anwar Sulaiman. My name is Nurul Nabiha binti Anwar, and today I'll be presenting our strategic management assignment 1. And the company that we have chosen is Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad. As mentioned by my teammate, Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad is a global oil and gas company that focus on exploration, development, and production. The company's mission includes diversifying its portfolio, aiming for significant production growth, securing 100 million barrels of oil equivalent reserve by 2026, and also achieving zero net emissions by 2050. And also the company also aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, implement cleaner technologies, and explore the carbon offset projects. The operational excellence is a key component of the company's mission, with a focus on safety, best practices, and also strict safety regulations. The company also aims to generate long-term value for its investor and positively impact the world energy scene. And also by achieving these goals, Hibiscus Petroleum aims to contribute to global energy landscape and contribute to the environmental responsibility. I think that's all from me for the mission part. Thank you. Okay, now let's moving on to the key milestone of the company. As can see in the slides, this company has achieved several milestones, including listing on Bursa Malaysia in 2011, acquiring a 35% of equity interest in Lime Petroleum PLC in 2012, acquiring the North Sabah Enhanced Oil Recovery Production sharing contract in 2018. Also, the company acquired UK assets in 2016 and 2018. And also the including the Anasuria cluster in the UK North Sea and Marigold and Sunflower oil field. In addition, in 2022, this company acquired interest in three Malaysian production sharing contracts from Repsol Exploration, SA, and secured interest and operatorship in the PKNB cluster PSC in July 2024. And also, in the same year, in September 2024, Hibiscus completed in a firm in agreement with Petronas Carigali for interest in the PM327 PSC. And also in 2024, this company received a certificate of merit from Petro Vietnam for excellence in operating and managing petroleum operations in Vietnam, and the company, which is Petronas, focused recognition award for successfully delivering the 2023 PM3 projects. That's all from for the key milestone. Thank you. Let's moving on to the next part of the presentation. So as everyone know, for every company, there's must be a SWOT analysis, which is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and also threats. For my part, I will be focusing on the strengths and weaknesses. So for the first part, which is strengths, Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad success in this industry, which is oil and gas industry, is attributed to its impressive track record of asset acquisition and development with a strong financial position, operational excellence, strategic geographic location, and dedication to its shareholder returns. The company's track records includes the recovery of the Anasuria cluster in the North Sea, demonstrating operational and strategic acumen. Its strong financial position allows it to invest in expansion, prospects, and pursue future acquisition without risking its stability. And also its operational excellence is a top priority by focusing on optimizing production processes and also upholding strict safety standards. The company's strategic geographic presence allows it to take advantage of opportunities in various markets and counter regional economic disparities. And also, finally, Hibiscus Petroleum's commitment to its shareholder returns, including a transparent and consistent dividend policy, makes it attractive to their potential investor. So that's all from me for the strengths part. Thank you. Okay, now let's move on to the next part, which is weaknesses. This company faces several weaknesses that could hinder its expansion and operational effectiveness in this industry. This include its limited size, its fluctuation to currency, its dependence on unstable oil prices, and limited bank borrowing access. As an independent exploration and production company, Hibiscus Petroleum face resources limitations compared to larger oil majors, which may limit its ability to undertake large-scale projects. The currency fluctuation can also impact its profitability, leading to increased operational costs and revenue decrease. And also, the company's financial performance is unpredictable due to price volatility, and its ability to fund new initiatives may be limited by its limited access to bank loans. And in order to improve the competitiveness and ensure long-term sustainability growth, this company must address this issue. I think that's all from me for this part. Thank you.
Hi, it's back to me again, and I'm gonna be presenting the last two elements of SWOT analysis, which are opportunity and also threat. So we're gonna look at the opportunity first. Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad has several opportunities that could increase its market share and also growth. The company has significant potential to enter new markets, especially in regions with undeveloped oil and gas reserve like in South Africa, the Middle East, and Africa. So by expanding into these new areas, Hibiscus Petroleum can reduce its dependency on current markets, diversify its geography reach, and generate new revenue stream. This strategic move may minimize susceptibility to regional economic swings and regulatory changes while accessing markets where the demand for energy is increasing due to economic development and industrialization. Additionally, investing in new technologies can enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and provide a competitive advantage. Technological advancements such as enhanced oil recovery techniques, better seismic imaging, and sophisticated drilling techniques can lead into more effective exploration and production process. Automation and digital technologies can improve safety, minimize environmental impact, and optimize operations. By leveraging technology, basically Hibiscus can increase their productivity, improve resource management, and also better address operational challenges and market demands. Consistent investment in research and development can facilitate new products and service development, allowing the company to expand its customer base and diversify its offering, thereby sustaining its competitive advantage in the market. Establishing strategic partnership with other related business can help Hibiscus Petroleum to leverage additional resources and experts, leading to mutual growth. Partnership with energy company can enable joint ventures in new markets, while partnerships with technology company provide access to modern innovations. This collaboration actually can result in this this collaboration can result in project like joint venture in a renewable energy or developments or co-developments of a new field. By utilizing strategic partnerships, Hibiscus Petroleum can improve operational efficiency, markets present, and create synergies that drive growth and profitability. Such partnership enhance technical proficiency, operational capabilities, and industry credibility, resulting in more capital and also business opportunity. So now I'm going to be explaining the last elements of SWOT, which is threats. Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad faces several threats that could affect its business operations and financial results. Significant markets volatility in the oil and gas sector can impact the company's bottom line, which changes in demand and oil prices posing risk to instability. Markets condition can become unpredictable due to factors such as changes in global energy consumption, economic downturns, and geopolitical tensions. To overcome this risk, basically Hibiscus Petroleum must use risk management techniques like diversification and trading, maintain a healthy balance sheet and financial reserve, and consider partnership and long-term contracts. Keeping up with market trends and taking proactive steps can help the company to react quickly to shift the market conditions. Regulatory changes in the energy industry can cause serious difficulties, requiring constant adaptation to evolve standards across different markets. Compliance with tax policies, health and safety requirements, and environmental regulation is important to prevent legal and financial issues. Hibiscus Petroleum can manage regulatory risk by keeping up with changes in the law, actively interacting with legislators, and investing in regulatory compliance program and systems. Increasing environmental concerns and the transition to renewable energy sources can impact the demand for oil and gas. Reducing carbon usage and switching to cleaner energy sources are becoming more important. Hibiscus Petroleum needs to adjust to this development to stay competitive in the market. Environmental risk can be reduced by funding renewable energy initiative like wind and solar power, and implementing sustainable practices. Reporting on environmental performance and engaging stakeholders on sustainability issues can improve the company's regulation and foster trust among the investors, customers, and regulators implementing eco-friendly technologies. Encouraging a culture of environmental responsibility and educating staff can promote positive change to reaffirm the company's commitment to sustainability. So that's all from me. Thank you. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Okay, so my name is Hamasana Shotman. I will be presenting the part of 6 company strategies. So according to the company annual report, so we have been referred to the annual report, and we find out that there is a few strategies that this company as a one of the big petroleum or oil and gas industries companies in Malaysia have been implemented this kind of strategies to actually cope with the environment of business and to expand all their business throughout to their country destination. So the first strategy is operational excellence, which is the Hibiscus Petroleum places a strong emphasis on operational excellence as a core strategy to enhance the value. So this core value is also involved on the optimizing production processes. The company continuously seeks to improve its production efficiency through advanced technologies and methodologies, and this includes implementing best practices in drilling and production operation to maximize output while minimizing costs. And then safety and environmental management. This is very important because since we are moving forward to the climate changes, so the safety on environment management is very important throughout all the industry, that especially the industry that play with the power or maybe energy and also oil and gas. So the safety and environment management is upholding high safety standards is paramount. Hibiscus Petroleum is committed to maintaining a safe working environment for its employees and contractors, and the company also prioritize environmental management, ensuring compliance with regulations and minimizing its ecological footprints. And lastly is performance metrics. For the performance metric is the report highlight the use of key performance indicator or KPIs to monitor operational efficiencies and safety performance, ensuring that the company meets its operational target while adhering to safety protocols. And then we moving on to the next strategies, which is a strategic acquisition. So the next is strategic acquisitions. For strategic acquisition, Hibiscus Petroleum actively pursues strategic acquisition to bolster its assets portfolio and enhance product capabilities. It also involves leveraging existing assets. The company focuses on maximizing the potential of its current assets while identifying opportunities for growth through acquisitions. And this strategy allows Hibiscus Petroleum to expand its operational footprint in key markets. And then selective pursuit of quality acquisitions. The company adopts its disciplined approach to acquisitions, targeting high quality assets that align with the strategic objective. And this includes evaluating potential acquisitions based on their ability to deliver sustainable returns and fit within the company's operational framework. And then market positioning. By acquiring strategic assets, Hibiscus Petroleum aims to strengthen its market positions and enhance its competitive advantage in the oil and gas sector. And then last of my part for strategy is integration of business units. Okay, for the integration business unit, the integration of business unit is a critical strategy for Hibiscus Petroleum, particularly following its acquisition of assets from Repsol. Alright, it's also involved a streamlining operations. The integration process focuses on combining the operation of the North Sabah business units with the newly acquired assets. This aims to eliminate redundancies and also improve coordination and enhance overall operational efficiency. Then resource optimization. By integrating resources, the company can better allocate personnel, technologies, and also capital to leading to improve productivity and cost saving. And then we also looking at the cultural alignment. The integration strategy also emphasizes aligning the corporate cultures of the different businesses unit in foster collaborating and ensure a smooth transitions. This is essential for maintaining employee morale and also operational continuity. So this strategy reflects Hibiscus Petroleum's commitment to enhancing its operational capabilities and expanding its market presence and achieving a long-term growth in the competitive oil and gas industry. And that's all from me for the strategy. My friend will continue with the other three strategy of this company.
Hi sir, my name is Chui Sim. So I will be presenting on the next part, which is the company strategies in Hibiscus Petroleum, the other three. So my first point is natural gas portfolio expansion. Firstly, they are investing in natural gas assets. So Hibiscus Petroleum has increased its stakes in gas field such as the PKNB cluster PSC in Malaysia and the Block B MLJ in Brunei. So the reason is to capitalize on the global shift towards the cleaner energy and diversify its portfolio. Second, which is the developing a gas production hub. So this company aims to create a central gas hub around the PM3 Commercial Arrangement Area, CAA, and integrate new gas discoveries in Malaysia and Brunei. The reason of this is to enhance the gas supply efficiency and maximize the revenue opportunities. Third is the strategic partnerships for gas expansion. So they collaborate with major energy firms like Petronas, Carigali, and Petroleum to optimize the gas production and distribution. So this is to enhance the regional energy security and increase the company's competitiveness in the energy market. Next point is the safety and environmental management. So first is decarbonization of the initiatives. So Hibiscus Petroleum is implementing measures to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions, including the adoption of renewable energy sources and optimization of the production facilities. So this is to align with the global ESG standards, regulatory expectation, and minimize the environmental impact. Next is the health, safety, and security standards. This is to maintain the rigorous health and safety protocols, including the workplace safety, training, and the operational best practices to reduce the accident rates. So these help to ensure the workers' safety, enhance the operational efficiency, and maintain a positive reputation as a responsible energy company. Next is the recognition for sustainability efforts. So they have received multiple awards for health, safety, and environmental performance, including the Petronas Malaysia Upstream Awards and UK Offshore Safety Awards. So this is to demonstrate the commitment to sustainability, attract the ESG conscious investors, and maintain good relationship with the regulatory authorities. Last but not least, which is the financial prudence. First is the strong balance sheet management. So Hibiscus Petroleum focuses on maintaining the financial resilience by managing the debt levels and controlling the operational cost. So this is to ensure the financial sustainability during the oil price fluctuation and the economic downturns. Second is sharing the consolidation strategy. So in 2024, Hibiscus consolidated 5 shares into 2, including it is to reduce the share price volatility and increase its effectiveness to the institutional investors. So this is to stabilize the stock price, attract long-term investors, and enhance the market confidence. Last but not least, which is the share buyback program. So the company has repurchased approximately around 18.61 million shares at an average cost of 2.12 ringgit per share by September 2024. So this is to provide the additional value to the shareholders by supporting the stock price and optimizing the capital structure.
Alright, so I'm moving on to the process or the next presentation on my part is about the opinion or suggestion to the Hibiscus Petroleum to build up or to boost their future. So the first is the positive outlook on oil and gas industry because according to the report expresses a confidence in the continued relevance of the oil and gas industry despite geopolitical uncertainties and the push of renewable energy. The company believes that traditional energy sources will remain vital for decades. It is because even though we now have very advanced technologies like electrical vehicle, and also we have a renewable energy, and currently now Malaysia is adopting like especially in Sabah, especially in Sarawak, adopting hydrogen technologies, that there is a buses there in Sarawak are using hydrogen as their energy booster. So this is what the opinion comes into the existence, because we see that the petroleum or Hibiscus Petroleum still believe on the traditional energy resources will be remain vital for a decade. Is it because there is not a shortcut for swing or to change all the industries into a new energy era? Okay, and then next is a commitment to shareholders' value. The managements have to focus on delivering sustainable returns to shareholders through strategic initiative, and also operational improvement indicates a strong commitment to enhancing shareholder value. This is actually interconnected with the previous opinion, which is this opinion is actually to pursue the company to actually adopting all the advancement of technology to keep the shareholder value in the company, to keep the shareholder not moving out from the company, even though there is a view or a very big industry and a very big advancement of technology on the energy choosing of the energy now in the world. And lastly, from my part, for the opinion is importance of safety and environment management. So the company has to emphasize on high safety standard and environmental management reflects the company's recognitions of its responsibility of an energy producer and its commitment to sustainable practices. Simplify this, then this safety and environment management is very important, is because we are moving forward to the climate change, we are moving forward to zero carbon country and everything and so on, etc. So this management, safety environment management, is very important for this company to be adopted, because they are actually playing with the oil and gas industry, that actually one of the biggest industry that influencing on the carbon acquisition in Malaysia. So why the safety and environment management is very important is to reduce the risk and to maximize all the knowledge and also all the capabilities of the company to actually manage the safety and measurement of their environment management in their company. So that's all from me. I will pass to my friends. Thank you.
So, in my opinion, yes, I would say that Hibiscus Petroleum appears to be successfully implementing the strategic management practices and based on its sustained growth, operational efficiency, and the strategic adaptability. So first is the strong financial performance. So the company has consistently increased its revenue, reaching 2.72 billion ringgit in FY 2014, a 15.8% rise from the previous year. So the profit after the taxation grew by 16.6%, demonstrating the effectiveness of its cost management and revenue optimization strategies. Second is the effective assets expansion and integration. So Hibiscus has strategically acquired and integrated assets such as the Repsol Malaysian PSCs and Brunei's Block B MLJ field, ensuring the seamless operation and increased production capacity. By unifying the business units under the Hibiscus Malaysia, the company has streamlined its operation, optimized resources, and improved the efficiency. Next is the diversification in natural gas. So recognizing the shift towards cleaner energy, Hibiscus has expanded its natural gas portfolio through acquisitions and developments like PKNB Cluster PSC and PM3 CAA Gas Hub. So these align with the global energy transition trends, ensuring the long-term sustainability. Fourth is the commitment to ESG and decarbonization. Hibiscus has set a 50% emissions reduction target by 2030, aims for net zero by 2050 through renewable energy adoption and operational efficiency improvements. These initiatives enhance its reputation and attract the investors prioritizing the sustainability. Fifth, which is the last one, is the strong market positioning and risk management. So the company has diversified its assets based across multiple regions such as Malaysia, UK, Vietnam, Australia, and Brunei, and reduce its dependency on one single market. The financial prudence, its low debt levels, share buybacks, and control capital expenditures, which this will help to ensure the stability even during the volatile oil price cycles. So in conclusion, since its inception, Hibiscus Petroleum has pursued a well-balanced growth strategy focusing on both organic and inorganic expansion. By integrating the acquired assets, improving the production efficiency, diversifying into natural gas, and implementing the robust ESG and financial strategies, Hibiscus has built a sustainable, resilient, and profitable energy company. So these strategies enable it to mitigate the risk, adapt to changing market conditions, and create a long-term value for the stakeholders. And that's all from me. Thank you.